welcome all former Sanford women's basketball players to our locker room. I'm here today to ask for some help and really more importantly to continue your involvement in your program, continue your involvement in your team, and ask for some help. One of the things we're doing is you recognize our locker room with a lot of you have had your picture up here with your team. We've got our huddle pictures. A lot of you have signed the block on the wall here after you've graduated. And this is really the success of our women's basketball program is all about our players. Former players, current players, and future players. They set the tone for everything that we do. We do have a project going on here that we're trying to improve our locker room. We do have a very nice space here, but we're trying to improve it by raising some money. So we're reaching out to all of our players, our ex-players, and challenging them to join Coach Powers, who's on staff, Coach Ketchum, who's on staff, and myself in donating $100 annually to our program. Hopefully it'll be an annual gift. If you can give more, great, wonderful. If you can give $25 annually, great, wonderful. We just really want you guys to be involved in our program in a way that can upgrade our locker room. We're trying to get new flooring, new carpeting, a smart board system to watch game tape, to break down game tape, and some dream seating in here just to make this nice. Everyone knows as a basketball player the locker room is a very special place. It's a very private place. It's a very unique place. It's where teams grow. It's where they bond. That's where they cry together. They laugh together, hurt together, experience victories together, experience defeats together. And so this opportunity, this project that we're trying to do, that we're asking for your help, really is something I believe that we can make this environment even nicer and even better for every student athlete that comes after you. So this is an opportunity I think we can really make it better and make it even more special. And we want you to be a part of that, because without the players, without you, without your work, without your commitment, without your sacrifices, this locker room's an empty room. It's a hollow room. Hopefully we can just continue to make this a locker room that you will be proud of as a former student athlete to come back and visit anytime, and that we can make this something that recruits will be impressed with, and you can play a huge part in making that happen. And in closing, I just personally want to thank each player, each Sanford women's basketball player for all their work, their commitment, their dedication to helping our program, helping your program get to where it is today. And we really appreciate your help, and we want you to be a part in a lot of different ways. So once a Bulldog, always a Bulldog.